Hi, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. We recently renovated this penthouse condo, and today we're talking about the kitchen specifically and lighting and things to consider when planning your kitchen renovation. So if you're planning a reconfiguration of your kitchen, you need to factor in the lighting changes. So in this particular kitchen, which is a galley, we did reconfigure the layout. So we had to bring the pot lighting back into alignment so that it worked with the new layout. People often fail to consider this and think, oh, my lighting's fine, I don't need to change it. And then the new configuration doesn't line up well and you get funny shadow spots and your task lighting tends to suffer. So always consider your configuration of your lighting matching or being adjusted to your new kitchen. Another thing with this kitchen is we have a new larger island than they had previously. So things to factor in is how is your new pendant lighting going to line up with the size and location of your new island. So here a lot of planning has to go into far in advance laying out where the electrical boxes will go, because they'll go in way before the cabinets come in. So you need to know your plan, make sure your contractor understands exactly where the lighting needs to sit and how you're going to space it over the island. Spacing can really vary. It's really based on personal taste. So figure out with your contractor how far in from each end, how low they'll sit so they're not hitting your head on the fixture if it is a pendant light or a globe pendant like you see here. Another really important feature for lighting your kitchen is under cabinet lighting. And in my opinion, it's one of the most important light areas to light because it's very helpful with task lighting for while you're preparing your foods. And it can also create really nice ambient lighting, and it can set the mood if you decide to go with something like this, which is an RGB lighting package. So the cool thing about this lighting is that you have lots of different options. So here they're fully dimmable. So this has the under cabinet and the over cabinet lighting. So you can see if you want it a bit dimmer, you have control of that to make it bright for task use or lighter for ambient. Also a cool feature is this one, you can really set the mood. So let's say it's Valentine's Day. Well, you can switch it up and you have some really fun colors available. Oh, St. Patrick's Day, we can get into the greens. It's Christmas time, you can mix it up. And some of these can be programmed to fluctuate with the beat of your music. There's so many fun, interesting features that are available. But it's worth considering to add the RGB feature in here is not expensive considering the scale of a project like this, but it can really, really help with A, task lighting, and B, making your face fun and something really, really cool to show off to your friends and engage more within the kitchen. So when you're planning your kitchen reno, lighting is key. We see too often people don't plan it well, or they cut budget back in a way that they leave some, I guess we'll call dark spots within their kitchen. So plan it well, make sure your contractor helps you with this. It's a big part of the design process. If you do it as an afterthought, you'll have to reopen ceilings and do all these things that can really be frustrating later on in your project. If you have any questions about lighting and how to properly plan for it, please send us a message and we'll be happy to get back to you.